Alright, so it is our first day in Auckland and they've been very kind with the weather because the whole journey yesterday was absolutely disgusting, but at least we were indoors. But yeah, we're staying in a beautiful house in Western Springs, so it's only like 10 minutes maximum by car, 20 minutes by bus, so it's pretty good. And yeah, we're just going to check out a bunch of stuff, and I finally hit 100 subscribers, so I'm well chuffed. I feel like I could do so much better, so yeah, I'll keep it rolling. I've made a decision to make my private account for the amazing photography that I'm doing, and for my APLC YouTube account to be like funny YouTube Connect. Yeah, I'll see you in the city. This is a pretty sweet spot, so I'm gonna fly my drone.
You were filming.
Get on it. Done. It's star time.
Made the executive decision to go over the harbour. A place called Birkenhead. It's got the best view of Harbour Bridge, Auckland Harbour Bridge that is. So yeah. Get some night views, mate.
Excited.
What are you talking about, mate?
Cute.
Ladies and gentlemen, bass. Redeem full of call.
That was pretty cool. It is super early in the morning. Do you know what time it is?
2:30.
2:30. Been awake since...
now it's 1:45.
1:45. Been awake since 8. Plus I didn't have a best night's sleep. I'm so dead.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me.